This lesson will cover the irregular patterns of prefixed derivatives of other irregular verbs. Prefixed variations of irregular verbs will follow the same conjugational patterns as the irregular verbs upon which they are based. The only difference is that this time you attach the prefix prior to each irregular conjugation. Some of the most common irregular verbs with prefixed variations are those verbs based on fazer, dizer, vir, ter, pôr, crer and ler, pedir, torcer, seguir, and cobrir. Now, to quickly go over some of these examples, the verb fazer will follow the same irregularities as fazer. Dizer will follow the same irregularities as dizer. Intervir follows the same pattern as vir. Manter follows the same irregularities as ter. Expor follows the same irregularities as pôr. Crer and ler will take on the irregularities of crer and ler, respectively. Pedir follows the irregularities of pedir. Torcer will follow the irregularities of torcer, but its past participle and the past participles of other torcer-based verbs are regular and are not based on the irregular past participle torto. Conseguir follows the same irregularities as seguir. And for the last example, encobrir follows the same irregularities as cobrir. And that sums up irregular Portuguese verbs with prefixed derivatives. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.